What do companies do when they first discover OKRs? They'd want to give it a shot and use spreadsheets to do it. This works okay in a small company where things are less complex and there are fewer levels to work with. As they are quick to adapt and get teams on and of course, low investment, spreadsheets become the go-to option. Only when companies begin scaling beyond 10 to 15 members, do they realize it's wise to switch to an OKR platform. Building your OKR muscle while scaling your company, while not waiting for it to turn into a big organization first is a great idea. As the company grows into this mammoth, its lineage would have already been mapped, with several connected and aligned OKRs that effectively documented and kept track of all your highs, lows and milestones. Trying to achieve all this on a spreadsheet is going to come with a bunch of challenges. Let me explain. There's lots to leverage from an OKRs platform as you ditch spreadsheets. Number 1, alignment boards. You'll know your OKRs implementation is right when you can visualize how individual OKRs align to organizational ones. This will ensure that everyone understands what needs to be achieved and how it all comes together. Spreadsheets fall way behind in this category. At Fitbots, we take our alignment boards very seriously. There are multiple ways to visualize how objectives and KRs flow from one to the other. No more delays in knowing where KRs are stuck and contributing to slow progress. The alignment boards also visualize progress from the quarterly to annual levels. Number 2, conversations and check-ins. Have you heard of weekly check-in meetings? OKRs bring discipline to your progress party. Implementing OKRs means catching up weekly to document how you're doing with respect to your goals. Imagine having the ability to record feedback at all points on the journey to meet your objective. Flag your comments as wins or setbacks to later find them automatically recorded in the week's check-in report. Setbacks and wins are organized for anyone to view. There's no longer a need to hunt for the hidden miracle that worked, or the bug that's holding you back. CFRs are the backbone of a successful check-in meetings. With recognitions, award your teammates with a pat on the back with badges that celebrate the good job done. At this point, I'm just wondering how a spreadsheet could possibly support this. Number 3, intuitive reporting. As a manager or team leader, it's useful to have visibility on how well your organization and team is making progress on outcomes and managing risks. An OKR platform gives you access to all this information in one glance. All the time you'd otherwise spend in analyzing data on a spreadsheet, you could use to support your team and help achieve their goals. Fitbots' comprehensive reports unlock a powerhouse of details at the organizational, team and individual levels. Now, can a spreadsheet do this for you? Number 4, scale seamlessly. Here's a good problem to have. Watching your company grow and not being able to keep up with its progress reflected on spreadsheets. This good problem, if gone unchecked, will soon become a nightmare. Imagine constantly having to worry about managing data, or losing and not recording some of that information along the way. It's just a lot of confusion and chaos you would be putting your teams in. So, what's the way out? The wisest thing to do is break away from the frustration of having to manage multiple sheets. Let an OKRs platform do the job for you, with all the intricate aggregation and alignment that it's built to do. Just add your teams, add OKRs, do your check-ins every week, and leave the rest to the software to take care of. Don't give up on OKRs because you're unable to manage them on a spreadsheet. Get on a platform that's built to leverage the framework's potential. Find more OKR resources on our website. If you found this information useful, make sure you like the video, and subscribe to learn more about implementing OKRs. If you're still not convinced to not run OKRs on spreadsheets, here's a legendary YouTube comment that could help change your mind.